Today I'm going to finally harvest my sweet potatoes. I've been meaning to do it for, I guess, a couple of days, almost a week now. We had some rain and then I wanted to, let the soil dry out before I began the harvest. And I had 2 of these blue buckets. You can see it off to the right there. And that's all I planted for this season. So yeah, I think I'm getting some pretty nice sized sweet potatoes here. And the slips that I grew, I didn't know what type of potato it is. I see some purple or this purpley looking one and some orange sweet potatoes here. And I think there's even it looks like a white sweet potato. So yeah, it's just a mix of sweet potatoes that I have here. I'm going to be very excited to try the purple looking one because I don't believe that I've had that one before, or I attempted it last year and I didn't get any success with it. So yeah, this is and this purple one, I gotta go back and see if I can remember I think I went to an Asian market last year and bought this type of sweet potato. And this is the second container that I have over here in the corner. You can see the soil is still kind of moist, but I figured if I didn't do it today, I really wasn't going to get it done. So yeah, again, you see the mix of the, white, purple, orange, but from just looking at it, it appears that the orange potato didn't do so well, but the purple one seems to have the bigger potatoes. So I'm gonna keep that in mind when I go to, grow some for next year. I think maybe I'll just do 1 container full of purple potatoes and then 1 of just the traditional orange, the Beauregard sweet potato. So yeah, I'm collecting up this basket. I'm gonna go and get my other potatoes, and that's it. That's my harvest for today. Okay, this is the sweet potato harvest for today. I'm gonna now just allow them to stay in this basket here to let them cure for a couple of weeks. It's a nice amount. It's not a massive harvest, but it's enough for me and I'm happy with it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and let me know what's going on in your garden. All right.